Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you a really fast way to get proven to convert ad creatives for your dropshipping or e-commerce brand using Viral Ecom Adz and their new AI UGC split testing package. If you've spent hours trying to make your own ads or wasted money on random freelancers, this is going to save you a lot of time and a lot of testing budget. I'll show you what the package includes, how it works, and why so many stores are using it this year. If you want to check it out while watching, the link is in the description, and you can join their VIP program for 75% off and 24-hour delivery. So, what is Viral Ecom Adz? They're one of the most established creative agencies in the e-commerce space, trusted by over 30,000 Shopify stores. Their creatives have generated more than $30 million in tracked sales, and they've delivered over 100,000 ads for brands of all sizes. A lot of well-known creators like the Ecom King, Hayden Bowles, AC Hampton, and Sebastian Georgiou recommend them because they've been around for years and their ads consistently perform. The AI UGC split testing package is their newest offer, and it's designed specifically for fast creative testing. For one product, you get 3 different short videos. Each video is 30 to 45 seconds long and includes script concepts, copywriting, on-screen text, and visual overlays like images, GIFs, or clips. The whole point is to give you 3 angles to test at the same time so you can quickly see what hook or format works best. Using it is simple. You choose the package you want, fill out a short submission form with your product details and ad preferences, and then you get your finished creatives. VIP members get 75% off pricing, unlimited revisions, deliveries on weekends, and everything is done within 24 hours. The VIP plan costs $50 per month and you can cancel anytime, but if you're ordering creatives regularly, it usually pays for itself instantly. For the AI UGC style, you can pick between educational, podcast, or storytime formats. The educational style is direct and explains benefits clearly, good for problem-solving products. The podcast style blends in perfectly on TikTok and Reels because it looks like organic content. And the storytime style focuses on a personal experience or transformation, which works well for emotional hooks. Let me show you one of their podcast-style ads.
You ever notice how your knees start complaining the moment you stand up after sitting too long? Yes, yeah, that's been my daily soundtrack. I used to brush it off, but it got to the point where even climbing stairs felt like a mini workout I didn't sign up for. Then on the show one day, my co-host mentioned something that actually caught my attention, a rechargeable knee massager. So I checked it out. It's got dual airbags for compression massage, plus infrared heat and vibration settings. It's surprisingly gentle, but feels like it's actually doing something. Perfect after long recording sessions. And the best part, it's rechargeable. 10 minutes, auto shut off, done. No wires, no hassle. If your knees could use a little love, seriously, check out the rechargeable knee massager from Coopers of Stortford. Links in the description because feeling good shouldn't have an age limit. Right?
You don't need to script anything yourself. You just give them the basic product information and they handle the full structure using the same formulas they've used to produce thousands of high-converting videos. This is one of the main reasons creators recommend them. You save time and you avoid the usual mistakes that make ads flop. Another big benefit is speed. When you're testing products, having fresh creatives fast is important. Viral Ecom Adz is known for delivering in 24 hours, which makes it easy to run tests quickly without waiting days for an editor. So, to recap, Viral Ecom Adz is a dedicated creative service for e-commerce brands that want proven, ready-to-test video ads without doing the editing themselves. Their AI UGC split testing package gives you 3 short videos for one product, each with a unique hook and script, which lets you test multiple ad angles right away. VIP members get 75% off, 24-hour delivery, revisions, weekend delivery, a private Discord community, and weekly coaching. If you want to get better creatives and speed up your testing process, click the link in my description to check out Viral Ecom Adz and their AI UGC split testing package. It's a fast way to launch high-converting ads for your store in 2025. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.